you how to make a shake. So the first thing, sorry, my cat is up on the countertops. You'll probably see her behind me in a minute. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is some things that you can put in. So today for me, I'm going to use this cold brew coffee with a little, it has almond milk in it. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I'm going to use PB2, which is a powdered peanut butter. I'll let y'all see it. It's so good. It has a lot less fat in it than regular peanut butter does, and a lot less calories, so I feel like I can use more. Then obviously my Shakeology. Today I'm using chocolate. That's what I get in the bag every month, so I'm going to be using chocolate today. And those are the 3 ingredients I'm going to use. I like to put a banana in this recipe too. And I actually prefer it frozen. I think it's a lot better when it's frozen, but unfortunately I am out of banana today, so I'm just gonna do without it. But if you are gonna freeze your bananas, a tip that I learned from one of my other coaches is to peel them before you freeze them, because otherwise the peelings get like stuck to them. So peel it, freeze it, and then put it in your shake, and it's really good. So okay, so what I have here is I have my blender. I just have a standard, I think I can just like show you guys what I have here. Just a pretty standard blender. You don't even have to have a blender, honestly. Like, there's a lot of ways you can do this, but I prefer a blender. So I start with my cold brew because I like to dirty as little of dishes as possible, and my blender has the cup marks on it. I think, yeah, right over here. So I start with this one because this is really the only like liquid measurement that I need. So I start with just like a cup and a third. I just fill a little over the cup line of my cold brew. And then next I take my Shakeology, and your bag of Shakeology is going to come with a scoop. And if you get the packets, you just need 1 packet full, because that's just a serving. So I just kind of top it off. It's never really like perfectly exact, but so 1 scoop of Shakeology, so that goes in the blender. And then the next thing I'm going to put in is some PB2, and depending on the day, it depends on how much I use. Today I'm going to use, so this is a tablespoon that I have is for measuring. You can tell I kind of overflowed a little bit, so I'm going to put a tablespoon in, and then some, tablespoon and a half-ish. Really, it's just kind of to taste. There's not a right way to do this. So, and then I add ice too. So my freezer is over here. So I'm just gonna, Matilda, got to lay back. Here you go. And I just grab like 6 or 7 ice cubes normally, like 2 handfuls. It's pretty much to whatever, so I just have like 2 handfuls. It's pretty much just like whatever consistency you want it at. So I like mine kind of more like icy, like frappe style, especially when I have cold brew in there. It kind of tastes like a peanut butter chocolate frappe. So really good. So I just put all those things in, put the blender on, or the lid on top of it. This is gonna be loud, so I'm sorry. Okay, so there it is. So then I use my Shakeology shaker cups that you get with a bag of Shakeology when you order your first bag. So did that, and then I just normally will take, sometimes it gets stuck to the edge, so just kind of move it around to make sure I didn't waste any of my Shakeology, because I don't want to do that. I love it too much to waste it. Tastes really good. So then I just poured it, and normally it fills like around half a cup, so mine's a little bit more than that today. Sometimes I fill more up. It just depends on what I add into it. If you add a banana, obviously it's gonna make more. Half of a banana, some people just put half of a banana in. So now that's done. So now let me talk to you a little bit about options for Shakeology. So when you order Shakeology, I have chocolate, but there is a ton of different options for flavors, and then you actually you don't have to just get one flavor. So I choose to order in a bag, so I just get one flavor, because when you order it in a bag, there is 30 servings. So I have 30 servings, so I have a whole month's supply of Shakeology right here. If you order it in packets, you get 24. So you get 24 servings, but it's the same price, but it's just because you have more packaging. So that's kind of the difference. And then for flavors, you can do, there's strawberry, there's vegan chocolate, regular chocolate, tropical strawberry, and then there is vanilla, cafe latte, and greenberry. So there's a ton of different flavors. The recipes that you can make with these are seriously endless. You can do so much with recipes. Together you can get like the chocolate, the strawberry, and the vanilla like all in a pack together. You can get cafe latte, vanilla, and chocolate. So you can get greenberry and strawberry. Like you can get all these really great combinations if you're interested in trying out like, you know, a couple of them. And then another option is we have a 7-day sample package. So it comes just this little box, and it's got a little sample, like a 1-day supply of every flavor that Beachbody has to sell. So that's really cool too, because then you can try them all out before you order a big bag. So that's another option. I did that. I tried them out first, decided that I like the chocolate the most, and now I just order the big bag of chocolate every month. So those are the, you know, kind of the lowdown on it. You can seriously mix in whatever you want. Like I sometimes just throw in whatever I have in my kitchen. If I have, if I just have like coffee, I just put a cup of coffee in it. I chill it first and just put a cup of coffee in it, and it tastes awesome that way. Sometimes I just do a cup of water or a cup and a half of water, some ice, in my chocolate. Like seriously, it's just, you just got to figure out how you like it, the way that it tastes good to you. If I'm in the car, like if I'm traveling, I don't even use a blender. I just buy a cup of like one of those things with the Starbucks like cold brew that comes, you can just get it at a gas station. I just buy one of those and throw it in my shaker cup and throw in a scoop of chocolate and shake it up and drink it while I drive. So there's a ton of options. There's a ton of recipes out there on the internet. You just Google Shakeology recipes, and seriously thousands of recipes will come up for you. So hopefully that was helpful to everybody. Let me know if you're interested, if you would like a sample pack. If you know, just want to try one flavor, I might be able to hook you up. So reach out to me, ask me if I have any samples available at the moment. If you know you're gonna love it, go ahead and jump in and buy yourself a bag or a 24-day supply. So I hope this was really helpful for everybody, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Hey guys, so I'm just laying in bed and I am so excited for tomorrow. It's my second YouTube video, and I'm gonna make a shake for you guys, and there might be some other exciting things in the video. So I'm just like laying in bed trying to plan it out. I think this is where I do my best thinking, to be honest. So also probably where I look my nastiest, but you know, what can you do about it? So excited for tomorrow, and I hope you guys get some good sleep and are prepared to learn how to drink yo superfoods tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, everybody. Today I've been a lazy bum and I'm still not out of my bed yet, and it's like 9:30. So this is a very rare thing for me, but I haven't got a lot of sleep in the last couple days, so I let myself sleep in because I have the day off work. So I'm going to get up here and take a shower and then get ready to make my Shakeology for breakfast. So next time you see me, I'm going to be clean. So this is a habit that's going to be really hard for me to break. Almost every day after I take a shower, I get back in my bed and just lay here in my towel for like 40 minutes. And I'm not, it's a really hard habit for me because right now I don't have to like get up and go anywhere in the mornings, but pretty soon I'm going to have to start my job. So trying to break this habit, but excited for my shake that I'm getting ready to make once I decide to take this towel off my head and get ready for the day.